In today's video, I'll show you how to add Fidelity to your Rocketmoney account. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. The first thing that you must do, if you haven't already, is to head over to rocketmoney.com and create an account. If you haven't yet made an account, you can go up to the top right corner and click Get Started. From there, you'll need to enter some personal information as well as entering some of the questions that they ask us. And once you've done that, you will have successfully signed up for a Rocketmoney account. All you have to do from there is to go ahead and log in by clicking this login button right here. And from there, we get taken to the dashboard and you'll now be signed in into our Rocketmoney account. So in order to add a checking account, we must actually first go up to the top right corner where we can find all of our accounts, and we can go down to checking, and then over on the right hand side, we can click on this add button. This will allow us to add some accounts to our Rocketmoney account, and since we're trying to add Fidelity, we're going to type in Fidelity in the search bar, and from here we can find all the Fidelity options. So here's fidelity.com. However, there's also Fidelity Bank, and there's also individual banks from certain states, so you want to look through this list and find the correct one. Now, I'm assuming most of you want fidelity.com, so I'm just going to click on this, and from here it allows us to safely connect your Fidelity account. So you can click continue, and from here we'll be able to actually log our Fidelity account, and when we sign into this account, it will then automatically be added into our Rocketmoney account, and we'll then be able to find it on this list. So that's how you can find and add Fidelity to your Rocketmoney account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.